Let's look at TimeChamp's employee GPS tracking and geofencing features. Your team will automatically clock in or out using geofences when they enter or exit a predetermined location. We may view the job site visit activity of login and logout time by selecting a certain employee. And let me show you how to create a job site in TimeChamp. Enter the name and address of the job site, choose the location radius, and then continue. Here, you may add team members. Choose the project, pick the to-do, and choose whether you want it to start and stop automatically when people enter or leave the site or merely send a reminder. If the Teams has several client sites, mobile app can be useful. Here, tap on the projects in this job site, select your to-do, and can view details by clicking on this. Once the job is finished, select pause, then select end day, and finally select complete. By selecting the past option, we can go to the job site reports. This shows the entire job site activity for the sales team. And by selecting an employee, here are the 2 completed job site visits when viewing Kyle Shelton's employee. 1 is active status for work. Clicking on Cyber Tower's behavior pattern, we can view the summary of in-time, out-time, spent time, and activity between 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. This location tracking eliminates errors, saves time, and maintains the accuracy of timesheets. Book demo now and get 7 days free trial.